I'll show you.
Okay. Here we are at the make-believe hospital.
And here comes a mommy and a baby. When it's time to leave the hospital, the mommy rides in a wheelchair to the front door. It's a hospital room. Here comes the daddy with the car. Okay, little baby, it's time to go home.
And is that a car seat for the baby?
Yes, every baby needs to be in a car seat with a seatbelt. That's a rule too.
Wearing seatbelts in the car is a good rule for everybody, right?
Right. Driving to my school, I buckle my belt. Driving to my school, I buckle my belt. Driving to my school, I buckle my belt. Buckle up my seatbelt. Driving to my house, I buckle my belt. Driving to my house, I buckle my belt. Driving to my house, I buckle my belt. Buckle up my seatbelt.
Gee, there's a lot of traffic on the road today. I'm glad everyone's wearing seatbelts.
Driving to my grandma's, I buckle my belt. Driving to my grandma's, I buckle my belt. Driving to my grandma's, I buckle my belt. Buckle up my seatbelt.
Down on Grandpa's farm there is a black and white skunk. Down on Grandpa's farm there is a black and white skunk. The skunk, he always smells like this.
P.U.
The skunk, he always smells like this.
P.U.
We're on our way to Grandpa's farm. We're on our way to Grandpa's farm. So what do you think?
I really like being on a farm. There are lots of animals to see. The animals are nice.
Gosh, that was so much fun. I just love babies with their incy-wincy fingers and toesies and tails.
Tails?
Oops, I was thinking of dinosaur babies. Do you know what else I love about babies?
What?
I love the way that every one of them grows up to be a very special girl or boy, just like all of my friends.
But what makes everyone special, Barney?
Lots of little things. In fact, there are so many little things that it's almost like the pieces of a puzzle. Just think about all of the little pieces that make you who you are. The color of your eyes.
Mine are brown. Mine are blue.
Or the color of your hair.
I've got red hair.
Other pieces might be the things that you like to do, like playing games or drawing pictures or looking at books.
Yeah, I like to read.
And there are other little pieces like, your very favorite foods.
Pizza. Or your favorite colors. Purple is my favorite.
Or whether you like to talk in a big, loud voice or a quiet little voice.
Maybe you like to sing. Or dance. Or both. Like me.
When you put so many different pieces together, you get a different girl or boy. And each one is very special. You are special, you're the only one like you. There isn't another in the whole wide world who can do the things you do. Oh, you are special, special. Everyone is special. Everyone in his or her own way. Oh, you are special, special. Everyone is special. Everyone in his or her own way.
You're important, so you really are. You're the only one of you.
The world is better just because you're here. You should know that we love you.
Oh, you are special, special.
Everyone is special.
Everyone in his or her own way. Oh, you are special, special. Everyone is special. Everyone in his or her own way.
Everyone?
Everyone. fun in his or her own way.